Good morning and welcome to another Project Bimmer video. This 1995 BMW E36 318i, and in this video I've got a little confession to make. So last night I was driving, I spun on some ice on an untreated road and did a bit of damage, so I'll show you what the damage was. As you can see, the front number plate, damage to the grills, I'll have to replace them, damage to the front panel, bit of damage on the bonnet as well, but that's nothing. The headlight seems to have survived. Damaged the indicator unit and the bulb, more damage to the front panel. I think that can be repaired. Lost a bit of the bumper and sticking out the front fog light and the front number plate. So this little laundry list is starting to grow. It's a bloody leaf, I don't know where that's come from. So moving on, there's a dent in the rear wing. I think the wing's alright. So anyway, moving on to the back. Pretty much a similar story. I think the bumper might be savable. Got a bit of damage to the rear panel there, and a big dent in that corner. A little bit of damage to the boot lid, and some scratches. But I think the boot lid needed painting because I scratched it on the garage door some time ago. And obviously the rear light unit, but all the bulbs seem to be intact on that one, so my little laundry list is going to be getting bigger. But on the boot's still open. Fortunately, it's just a light external damage. But the paintwork on this car won't great in places, so it'll be an improvement when I finally get it fixed. But yeah, my little laundry list is getting bigger all the time. So wrap it up for this video. So that's it for this video. Now my little laundry list might get bigger as I start tearing into it. Now one thing on the E36 is that there's crush tubes between the bumper and the bodywork, and that's supposed to absorb some impact. So we might find that. Hopefully it shouldn't be anything too serious. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell and you get notified when one of my videos comes out. Questions and comments, you want to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.